The Oukitel WP100 Plus has just arrived, but despite the name, it is not automatically an upgrade over the original WP100. Some areas are newer and more practical, while others have clearly been cut back. So, which one should you actually buy? Overall, the Oukitel WP100 is the clear winner for most users. It is the better option for gaming, multitasking, photography, and long-term performance. Choose the WP100 Plus only if it is significantly cheaper and your priorities are Android 16, massive battery life, and basic everyday use. Otherwise, despite being the newer phone, the WP100 Plus is closer to a downgrade than an upgrade.